Hello everyone, this is Victory. It's me in the workshop. In the workshop there is one machine that is kind of 4mm dual rail machine. And this machine is just finished building up and it's not totally done yet, but I would like to share with you right now. The first thing is about, let's check the profile. Sliding rail. It's used for door system, and the thickness of the sheet is up to 4mm, and the machine is built up with gearbox transmission and pillar stands. So let's follow the machine to see what's the machine unique. The first station, these two units is used for adjusting or straightening the final profile after forming step. And the machine has combined with 16 stations, rolling stations. And it seems the thickness show up to 4mm, so the shaft is about 45 diameter. And the most unique part is about this thing, the bearing. And we can see inside we have used this kind of the ball bearing. Inside is ball bearing, and here is kind of the lock, and this kind of lock is out of the stands. So it will be much easy once we doing this kind of adjustment for the roller, and we want to change something. It's much more benefit for daily maintenance. And let's follow the camera to check what we do. And this kind of the roller material is GCR15, which is more wearable for high thickness. And each rolling station is driven by gearbox. And here is the fitting guide with 5 roller leveling. This is the side pillar, and another side is connected with gearbox. And then the motor is 15 or 22 kW. So this is the general view of the line. And then later on, once the machine run in the workshop, or if the machine run in the customer workshop, I will show you again. Just stay with us.